When you need ideas about making money online fast, read this. Making money online is very profitable for many people. All it takes is a bit of research and planning. You can find several places and ideas that will help you make money. This video is a great place to start. Continue watching to find out some ideas that are working for others. When planning how to make money working online, never put all your eggs in one basket. Keep as many options open as possible, to ensure that you will always have money coming in. Failure to plan like this can really cost you if your main site suddenly stops posting work or opportunities. If you are a good writer, there are many opportunities for you online when it comes to making extra money. For example, check out video writing sites where you can create content to be used for search engine optimization. Many pay more than a few cents per word, making it worth your while. Consider the things you already do, be they hobbies or chores, and consider how you can use those talents online. If you make your children clothing, make 2 of each and sell the extra on the internet. Love to bake? Offer your skills through a website and people will hire you. Never pay money out of your own pocket when earning money online. No legitimate business will make you pay money to start doing work for them. Instead, they're just a scam. Stay away from such companies. Try your hand at creating an ebook. This makes you come off as an expert and allows you to make more money as well. Recipes are something you could start talking about with your ebook. As stated above, there are lots of ways to increase your online income. Use these suggestions to help you get started. You will be amazed at how quickly the money can add up. Come back to this page and others like it to continue growing your online work portfolio as you go. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.